Hi guys, it's Avas from Trendy Startups. Today I'm gonna show you how to fix if JJSploit is not working in Windows 10. So let's get started. Simply goes to Start button, click on Settings. Here you have to click on Update and Security Settings. Here you can see the option Windows Security. Click on it. Click on Viruses and Threat Protections. Scroll down and here you can see the option Manage Setting. So click on it and off the real-time protection and goes to search bar. Type here remove or add programs. Here you can see the option sort by. Select here install data. Here you can see the JJSploit. So simply uninstall and open the Chrome browser. Type here JJSploit and click on download JJSploit. So guys, simply you have to open the file explorer. Click on downloads. Now here you can see the JJSploit installer. Double click on it. And here you can see our JJSploit setup is starts installing. After doing this process, your problem will be fixed. I hope this information was helpful for you. Thank you for watching. Have a good day.